Oh,
Oh man,
yeah.
no makeup on.
We're over here with Alicia Bonk. And so, Alicia, how are you liking your pool over here?
I hope you aren't putting this on something. I'm loving it though. And I love your. Can I at least have makeup on? I'm loving the pool. I love like designing it with you. I'm a happy customer.
Okay, great. And so this is one that Dover Living and All American went in, teamed up on. And you happy with the whole process of everything?
Very smooth, and I was always able to get a hold of you or Chad, which I really appreciated.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, well, I'm just over here hanging out with Alicia, enjoying her pool with her. So, thanks, Alicia.
My
Have a good
pleasure.
day.
Thank you.